Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine students. uh, Today is 24, 7 and 20 and we are doing words meaning of paddler's caravan. So write down the meaning of the following words. First one is paddler. Paddler mean a person who goes from place to place selling goods, and caravan mean a group of people traveling together. And mend mean repair, to make something new. Okay, mend, repair. Rumble, to make a long deep sound. And the next one is splash. Splash means the sound of liquid when it hits something. Okay, this is the sound of liquid mean when we throw something into the water, when we throw a stone into the water, so we hear a sound. Okay, this sound is called splash. And clash. Clash means fight, to fight someone. Clashes, fights or collides. Okay, the next is sentence making. So number one is drive. Okay, drive means control the direction and speed of a motor vehicle. Okay, you know the meaning of drive, like drive a car. So the next one is chimney. Okay, chimney means a pipe which conducts smoke typically through the roof of a building. And the next one is riding. This riding means the support or activity of riding horses. Okay, riding. And mend mean as you know here, repair. And splash mean, here is the meaning of splash, the sound of liquid when it hits something. And the next one is roam. Roam mean travel aimlessly. Okay, when we have no aim and we travel aimlessly, travel. Sell, you know the meaning of sell. Okay, sell mean give in exchange for money. Okay, so we give something in exchange for money. And the next one is town. So students, what is the meaning of town? Town mean a built up area with the name, defined boundaries and local government that is larger than a village and generally smaller than a city. Okay, an area that is larger than a village and smaller than a city. And the next one is caravan. You already know the meaning of caravan here, a group of people traveling together. And wish, you know the meaning of wish. Okay, and lift, it's also very easy. And smoke, like smoke of traffic. Okay, etc. So students, do this work very neatly on your English literature notebooks. I have already sent you the main idea of this poem. So complete this words meaning and sentence picking and also learn it. Take care.